Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your reviews on TEMU. So let's say you've just made a review and you want to delete that specific review. Now I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to TEMU. Now from there, open up the official website and go and sign into your account where you made the review that you want to delete. Now from there we go to orders and account, and inside orders and account we're going to the left of our screen where all options appear. Now here we have your reviews tab, and here we have the reviewed option. Now these are all the placed reviews that we've just made, and here you can delete them or even edit them if you want to change them. Now let's say you want to delete this one, simply hover over the delete key and press delete. Now here the deletion was successful and now your review has been deleted. Now if you still get any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. If this tutorial's helped you, I would highly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. Helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.